Hello students, welcome you all to my channel. In my previous video I had explained you about balancing of chemical equation. In this video I am going to explain you about types of chemical reaction, which is very important for your board exam. So student, there are 5 types of chemical reaction which is given in this chapter, that is combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and oxidation and reduction reaction. So student, let's first understand what is combination reaction. As its name suggests that two or more reactant combine to form a single product. Let's understand this concept with the help of an activity given in this chapter. See student, in activity 1.4 you can see that we will take a small amount of calcium oxide, which is also known as quicklime, in a beaker, and then we will add water slowly into the beaker. When we will add water into the beaker, we can see that there will be change in the temperature, and we can feel this change in temperature by touching the beaker. So student, what happens here, when calcium oxide react with water, it will produce slake lime, which is also known as calcium hydroxide, and during this reaction a large amount of heat will be released. This reaction can be represented with the help of equation also. The chemical formula of calcium oxide is CaO and chemical formula of water is H2O. The product which is formed during this reaction is slake limed calcium hydroxide, and the formula is calcium CaOH whole twice. See student, in this reaction two reactant, that is calcium oxide and water, combine to form a single product, that is calcium hydroxide. And such type of reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactant is known as combination reaction. The product which is formed in this reaction is used for whitewashing. See student, the calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide in air, and it will form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls, and it will give a shiny finish to the wall. Okay, and this reaction can be represented with the help of equation also. The chemical formula of calcium hydroxide is CaOH whole twice, which is in aqueous form. When it will react with carbon dioxide, which is in gaseous form present in the air, it will form calcium carbonate. The formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. Along with this, water will also form. See students, some more examples have also been given of combination reaction. The first one is burning of coal, and the second one is formation of water. See student, all the burning reaction involves presence of oxygen. And in second one example you can see that water is formed from hydrogen and oxygen, and these two, hydrogen and oxygen, are in the form of gas, and the product which is formed during this reaction is in liquid state. These two above reactions are example of combination reaction. As we can see, only single product is formed during this reaction. And the above activity, which is 1.4, there was evolution of large amount of heat, so this reaction is also known as exothermic reaction. Some other examples have also been given of exothermic reaction, that is burning of natural gas, and the second example is given, that is respiration, which is also an exothermic process. Okay, let's understand this, how respiration is an exothermic process. The food we eat, during digestion, this food is broken down into simpler substances. The main component of this food is carbohydrate, which is broken down to form glucose. This glucose, when it goes to cells of our body, there it will combine with oxygen and it will produce energy. So there is evolution of heat also, and this type of reaction is also known as exothermic reaction, which involves evolution of heat. The third one is decomposition of vegetable matter into compost, and this is also an exothermic reaction, as during the decomposition of vegetable matter it will produce large amount of heat. So this will be an example of exothermic reaction. So student, this is all about combination reaction. In next video I will explain you decomposition reaction. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.